What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Trust Wallet on Android device. This is basically going to be beginner's guide, or I'm just going to go over every single option that Trust Wallet offers. On Android you get Dapps tab, while on iPhone you don't get that. You still can use all the Dapps, but you just have to find them and connect to them through your web browser. So let's say for example you went to Google Play Store, you downloaded your Trust Wallet, and then you opened it, and then you set it up, you saved your seed phrase, and you get your app up and running. So once you logged in, you're going to see this screen. By default, there's going to be multiple tokens available, and there's going to be a couple different options. So first, in the top left corner, you're going to see that bell notification. This is basically notifications. If you're going to have any notifications or any balances transfer from your wallet or to your wallet, all the notifications are going to be appearing here, and also they're going to be popping up in your notification area. Then on the top right corner, you're going to be able to see there's like a little setting icon. If we press on it, you're going to be able to see all the tokens that are available through Trust Wallet, and you can scroll down and you can see which one's enabled. And for example, if you would like to add any other ones, you just have to toggle the switch and you can add as many as you would like, and you can scroll down and you can find most of the tokens that are available. And for example, if you can't find any, you can actually search right here and you can find it this way. Or let's say for example you're not going to be able to find it, then you can add a custom token, but this is going to be for another video. Then next thing you're going to be able to see right here on the screen, you'll see a couple buttons. First one, send. If you press on send, this is the option that's going to give you to send some cryptocurrency. Since I don't have any, it doesn't show me any balances, but all the balances would appear here. The next one is receive. So for example, if you would like to receive from somebody cryptocurrency, or maybe from some kind of exchange, you're trying to transfer your cryptocurrency, what you're going to do, you're going to press on receive, and then you're going to choose your cryptocurrency, the one that you're trying to receive. You're going to press on it, and it's going to display your public key or your public address. This is the one that you're going to use to send your crypto from another site. Then next one is buy. If you press on buy, you're going to be able to buy directly from here using your debit card or credit card. So let's choose a BNB Smart Chain. So minimum, I think it's $50. So you have to spend minimum $50, and then you have to choose which exchange or third-party provider you're going to use. By default, it's going to choose the best rate. But for example, let's say you don't want to use MoonPay, or you just would like to see the other ones. So you just press on here, and then it's going to give you an option, and then there's a Ramp and Simplex. But you can see the best rate from MoonPay. And then you just choose that one, and you just have to go through the process. Most likely you're going to have to create an account with them and add your debit or credit card. The next one is swap. If you press on swap, basically they have their own swap, and you can choose different tokens. You can swap any tokens that you have to other ones or other way around. And then if you press on here, you can just find, or you can choose token, which one you have or what balance do you have, choose here, and then you choose to which token you would like to swap, and then you either type amount, or you can press 25, 50, 75, or 100%, and then press on swap, and then you're just gonna have to go through this process. Then next on the bottom, you can see we have 4 different tabs. First one is wallet. As you can see, we're already in the wallet. Second one is discover. Discover is basically going to give you different options, or basically you can search here. You can look for staking options, DeFi token, lending, borrowing, smart chain, BSC, DeFi. And then if you press on see all, it's going to give you more options. Then the next tab is Dapps. So this tab on iPhone was removed. So that's the one I was talking about earlier. So if you press on this one, there's a history, what I was connected before. There's new Dapps, and you can press on see all. Then there's DeFi apps, or you can search for any apps. So let's say, for example, you're trying to swap some kind of tokens on PancakeSwap or Uniswap. What you have to do, just press on this Dapp, and it's gonna open up the actual PancakeSwap.finance. And then right here, once it's gonna load, it's gonna connect most likely automatically, or if it's not gonna be connected, then you're just gonna have to connect. And then you can start using PancakeSwap and you're going to be able to use your balance from your Trust wallet in a PancakeSwap. Then once you're done, always remember, go back to your wallet and then disconnect. And this is it. This is basically what you're going to see if you never connected before. You'll have to press on connect, and then we can go back and let's try Uniswap Exchange as well. Same thing. It's going to load. Right here, you're just going to have to press connect. And that's it. As you can see, we're already connected. So this is one of the main features most likely you're going to use if you have to use some kind of DEXs with a Trust wallet. And then the last tab is settings. So in settings, you're going to be able to see your wallet. Then you can change it to dark mode. Then there's security option, push notifications, preferences. You can set up price alert and then wallet connect. And then also there is a community tabs, help center, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and about. So if you go to wallet, this is going to give you your basically multi-chain wallet, and then you can press on this little plus sign in the top right corner. You can add more wallets. For example, if you have previously MetaMask or some kind of other wallet, you can use that other seed phrase and you can integrate multiple wallets into this Trust wallet. Then there's a dark mode. It will change it to dark mode. Then there's security option. In here, you can turn on or turn off your passcode. You can do auto lock, lock methods, and then transaction signing, then push notifications. Then there's a preference. You can turn off or turn on your Dapps browser. Usually just keep it on if you're going to be using with some kind of exchanges or Dapps. Then there's a price alert. You can probably set up some kind of price alerts. And then there's wallet connect. If you would like to use QR code to connect to some kind of wallet, you can use that as well. And for example, let's say when you were setting up your wallet, you saved your recovery seed phrase and by some reason you lost it or you forgot or you deleted by accident. What you can do, you can press on wallets. Then we need to press on these three little dots. And then right here, we can show our recovery phrase. I'm not going to open it up right now, but you'll press that, then you'll have to put your password in, and then it's going to show you your recovery phrase. Make sure you save it and don't ever share with anybody else. And this is pretty much it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add custom token in case, for example, you have some kind of token, but it's not here. I'll show you how to choose correct chain and how to add smart contract. And the last thing I want to show you, as you can see right here, right in the middle, you can see tokens, and on the right hand side is NFTs. If we press on it, if you have any kind of NFTs in your wallet, you're going to be able to view them here. You can press on receive if you have one, or if you would like somebody to send you one, or you can open OpenSea. This is where you can purchase Ethereum based NFTs. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.